Hello student, very tricky question is asked in PMT exam. That reaction of AgNO3 with Ptcl2 twice NH3 gives B and C two new complex. Here I have written the name. See, PtNH3 four times, NO3 twice. This complex and Ag2 Ptcl4 is obtained when AgNO3 react with Ptcl2 got twice NH3. So we'll get them PtNH3 four times and NO3 twice. This complex will be obtained and Ag2 Ptcl4 is obtained. Now we have to see how we will arrange this, because they are asking write down the structure obtained and name the and mention. So when these two complexes are obtained, so we will see that this complex and this complex, both of them are near to each other. So what will happen over here? Ag combined with NO3 having more affinity and silver nitrate will be gone. So silver nitrate is E, and with this B and C name I will give you the name of them, and then we will get the new coordination isomer, because this is lost, and this will form cationic part of the complex, and this is forming anionic part of the complex. So this is total. It should be nearer, deliberately I made it further. So this is cationic cation, and this is anion of the coordination isomer. So we will see that the name of this D will be platinum 2. Why? Because here it is neutral and here it is cationic part of the complex, and here it is 2 negative. So we'll write down tetrachloridoplatinate 2. Here platinate, here platinum. So I named D, and I told you that AgNO3 is having affinity, so silver nitrate is obtained. Clear to you? Now we will go one by one. Why I told you end of the reaction, because it will be not confusing at that moment, because they have given already B and C is obtained. Now what? At that moment Ag and NO3 will be combined to each other, and here this will be, actually this should be like this, NH3 4 NO2 twice. Okay, complex ion here finished, and this is counter ion, this is counter ion. Okay, it should be like this. So we will get counter ion over here, and this will be there Ag2 Ptcl4. Now Ag and NO3 will be combining together, and we will get AgNO3 and coordination isomer. Clear to you? Now for that means I told you that it is very important for NEET and other competitive exams. So at that moment they will give you this structure, and they can give B and C. They will not give the name of the complex. That is why I told you about how to make it. First I told you that AgNO3 Ptcl2, this is a complex is platinum 2, and when it will be formed at the time, two new complexes will be formed, PtNH3 4 times NO3 twice, and Ag2 Ptcl4. So this is forming cationic complex, and this is forming anionic complex. Okay, now what will happen when they are coming closer to each other? So here I told you that here when they are coming to each other, AgNO3 will be out. So this is silver nitrate solution. A new coordination isomer is obtained. Okay, here I have given the name of B and C. This is platinum 2 nitrate. Okay, and here silver tetrachloridoplatinate 2. Okay, platinate 2. So I told you about B, C, A as well as this coordination isomer D and AgNO3. This is E. I think everything is clear. अब मैं हिंदी में रिपीट करती हूँ. जब AgNO3 Ptcl2 twice NH3 दैट इज डाइक्लोराइड कॉम्प्लेक्स है, ये इससे रिएक्ट करेगा तो ये दो कॉम्प्लेक्स मिलेंगे. ये कॉम्प्लेक्स इनने यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है एग्जाम में, क्वेश्चन में. सो just you copy down, but you should remember it. But nowadays they are asking different way. Okay, that is why you should know that new two complexes will be obtained. That is a silver PtCl4 and PtNH3 NO3 twice. Now how to balance? I told you balancing, how to balance. So now again I had repeated this B and C, and I back naming tetramine platinum 2 nitrate silver tetrachloride chloro or chloridoplatinate 2. B and C, two new complex, they will again combine. AgNO3 will be lost. So AgNO3 I have written at the bottom E, and this is D. This is coordination isomer. PtNH3 2 positive, PtCl4 2 negative. Why I have mentioned 2 positive and 2 negative? That these are cation and anion part of the coordination isomer. Okay, cation and anion will be there. Clear? Thank you for watching. God bless you. All the best. Thank you. Bless you.